Odogwuakataka batago.
Odogwuakataka. You see that young girl you people have been maltreating in this your house. Today marks the end. If you cannot be able to take somebody's child, return back the child. Stop maltreating her. And this is the last warning for you. Odogwuakataka has spoken. But because of what? Because I am Odogwuakataka, the angel of the needies. That young girl that you people have been maltreating in this house, today marks the end. Nobody should ever lay hand on her, or else something terrible will happen.
Because of what? Because of what?
You are asking me.
Because of what?
You are asking me.
I will show you.
Let me see what you have.
My wife! What did you do to my wife?
You've seen what you cost yourself. I told you, don't try nonsense. Because what you did now is irreversible. You have just killed your wife. Odogwuakataka.
Odogwuakataka batago.
Na nke onye metere nwere isi ya.
Odogwuakataka batago. Ọnụ na-ekwulu ogbenye abịago.